The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware County and central New York, Sullivan County and central New York, northeastern Wayne County and northeastern Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near East Branch, or 15 miles south of Walton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Roscoe around 12:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jeffersonville, Hazel, and Livingston at around 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. White Sulphur Springs around 12:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Parksville and Swan Lake around 12:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Liberty and Willow-Emmock around 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Neversink, South Fallsburg, and Loch Sheldrake around 1:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fallsburg, Woodridge, and Grahamsville around 1:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan, New York. 1 to 2 feet. The National Weather.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 415, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the current
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, southern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, Dutchess County in east central New York, southern Columbia County in east central New York until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Claverack to Dover Plains to near Beacon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, Entries. Locations impacted include Bristol, Torrington, Poughkeepsie, New Milford, South Ferry, Beacon, Great Barrington, Hudson, Sherman, Pauling, Brookfield, New Fairfield, Canton, Pleasant Valley, Thomaston, New Hartford, Claverack, Wappingers Falls, Amelia, and Livingston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSALBany, or Twitter at NWSALBany. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia and Dutchess, and Litchfield, Connecticut, and Berkshire, Massachusetts. Severe thunderstorm watch number 415 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and now includes the following counties: Litchfield, Connecticut. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 450.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 415 remains in effect until 8 p.m. and now includes the following counties: Suffolk, New York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 415 remains in effect until 8 p.m. and now includes the following marine location: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inland to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe central Westchester County in southeastern New York until 4:15 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Brookfield to near Danbury to Bedford to Hawthorne, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Canaan, Newtown, Bethel, Wilton, Reading, and Georgetown around 3:15 p.m. Norwalk, Darien, and Weston around 3:20 p.m. Shelton, Salisbury, Fairfield, Monroe, and Bridgeport, Stamford around 3:25 p.m. Bridgeport, Naugatuck, Trumbull, Westport, Seymour, and Derby around 3:30 p.m. Milford, Woodbridge, Beacon Falls, and Bethany around 3:35 p.m. Hampton, Stratford, and Orange around 3:40 p.m. New Haven around 3:45 p.m. Brantford and North Haven around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Peak Lake, Pleasantville, Oxford, Easton, Deep River, Essex, Madison, Rybrook, Thornwood, and Ansonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Middlesex and New Haven, and Westchester, New York. Here is the forecast.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McAdoo or over Hazleton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nesquehoning and Weatherby around 3:25 p.m. Jim Thorpe around 3:30 p.m. Lehighton around 3:35 p.m. Crispins around 3:40 p.m. Penn Forest Reservoir, Beltsville State Park, and Albrightsville around 3:45 p.m. Jonas, Christerville, and McCassville around 3:50 p.m. Gilbert, Sunshine Valley, Kunkletown, Pocono Raceway, and Long Pond around 3:55 p.m. Broadheadsville, McMichael, and Rossland around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Summit Hill, Bowmanstown, Tresco, Beaver Meadows, Lansford, Wysport East, Merwinesburg, Perryville, and Effort. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Carbon, and Monroe. The current time is
At 3:17 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 21 nautical miles northwest of mouth of the Housatonic River to 15 nautical miles northwest of Bridgeport to 12 nautical miles northwest of Norwalk Islands to 7 nautical miles northwest of Stamford Harbor to near Captain Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Norwalk Islands and Huntington Bay around 3:45 p.m. Penfield Reef around 3:50 p.m. Mouth of the Housatonic River and Smithtown Bay around 4 p.m. New Haven Harbor around 4:05 p.m. Stratford Shoal and Port Jefferson Harbor around 4:10 p.m. The Thimbles, Fountain Island and Madison Reef around 4:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. County in northeastern New Jersey until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Butler or near Pompton Lakes, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wayne around 3:30 p.m. Ramsey around 3:35 p.m. Patterson, Ridgewood, and Hawthorne around 3:40 p.m. Hackensack, Paramus, and Ordell around 3:45 p.m. Bergenfield, Cabot, and Norwood around 3:50 p.m. Fort Lee and Englewood around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rockley, Upper Saddle River, Howard, Wyckoff, Montvale, Bogota, Northvale, Franklin Lakes, Elmwood Park, and Harrington Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, and Passaic. For the following
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Delaware County and central New York, southwestern Chenango County in central New York, southeastern Broome County in central New York, eastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Conklin or near Binghamton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Halstead and Great Bend around 3:55 p.m. Windsor around 4 p.m. Sanford, Susquehanna, and Susquehanna Depot around 4:05 p.m. Deposit, Strucka and Sherman around 4:10 p.m. Hiawatha and Sheralkin around 4:15 p.m. Hancock and Starlight around 4:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne, Pennsylvania. The following New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Danielsville, or 10 miles east of Lehighton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Easton, Lehighton, Forks, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown, Nazareth, Ponderton, Bangor, Jimthorpe, Sladdington, Highbridge, Penardsville, Woodgap, Bath, Belvedere, and Harmony. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Warren.
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Factoryville or near Waverly, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waverly, Clark Summit, and Clark Green around 4:10 p.m. Scranton, Old Fortune, Norfolk around 4:15 p.m. Dunmore, Archbald, and Dixon City around 4:20 p.m. Mayfield, Elmhurst, and Mount Cobb around 4:25 p.m. Moscow around 4:30 p.m. Treslauville and Lake Ariel around 4:35 p.m. Sterling and Arlington around 4:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne, Pennsylvania. The current time is 4. The temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 72 degrees, and the humidity 76%. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nassau County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 5 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jackson Heights, or over Flushing, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Frog's Neck Bridge, Whitestone and Ozone Park around 4:30 p.m. Great Neck, Jamaica, Clearview Expressway, Bayside and Howard Beach around 4:35 p.m. Kennedy Airport, Little Neck and Manhasset around 4:40 p.m. Valley Stream, Garden City, Lynbrook, Mineola, Lanier, Cedarhurst, and Elmont around 4:45 p.m. Westbury, Hampstead and Oceanside around 4:50 p.m. Freeport, Baldwin, Hicksville and Lido Beach around 4:55 p.m. Farmingdale, Massapequa, Levitt Townsend, and Wantagh around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Hempstead, Thomaston, Bellerus, East Rockaway, North Wantagh,
your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, and Queens. Here is the forecast.
Central Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Elmhurst, Oregon, 7 miles east of Scranton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Treslaarville and Lake Ariel around 4:40 p.m. Sterling around 4:45 p.m. Ledgerdale, Arlington, and Angels around 4:50 p.m. Greentown around 4:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne. The following is an exception.
New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Fire Island Inlet to Mauritius Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Long Island South Shore Base until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Little Neck Bay to near Saddle Rock to near Jamaica Bay, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small crafts could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Barnum Island and Island Park around 5:05 p.m. East Bay and Middle Bay around 5:10 p.m. Jones Inlet and South Oyster Bay around 5:15 p.m. Fire Island Inlet around 5:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Long Island South Shore Base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Mauritius Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. And Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles.
Dover, Okanton, Forks, Manville, Town, Wilson, Morton, Washington, Rockaway, Tullatown, Nazareth.
County in northwestern New Jersey, central Somerset County, southwestern Morris County, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Bangor to Springtown to near Bechtelsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Frequent lightning is occurring. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Easton, Somerville, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Dover, Apascong, Forks, Manville, Hackettstown, Wilson, Morton, Washington, Rockaway, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bangor, Mount Darlington, Wyndham, Flemington, and Highbridge. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren.
New Hope, Yardley, Washington Crossing, and Woodside around 4:45 p.m.
Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County, southwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newtown, or 11 miles west of Trenton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Hope, Yardley, Washington Crossing, and Woodside around 4:45 p.m. Trenton and Bennington around 4:50 p.m. Lawrenceville around 4:55 p.m. Hopewell and Clover Hill around 5 p.m. Princeton, Skilman, and Platesboro Center around 5:05 p.m. Rocky Hill, Belmead, Kingstone, Flagdown, and Princeton Meadows around 5:10 p.m. South Brunswick, Manville, Millstone, Kendall Park, Dayton, and North Brunswick Township around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rossmore, Princeton Junction, Monmouth Junction, Princeton North, Woodbourne, Raritan, Newtown Grant, Village Shires, Churchville, and Lambertville. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, and Somerset.
Somerset, Sussex, Newton, and Warren in the following counties.
The severe Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Harland Village, Green Ridge, Broadway, West Shore Express, Highland Boulevard, and Adele in New York. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Union, New Jersey, and Staten Island, New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York at 20 nautical miles New York Harbor until 5:15 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Raritan Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near the Verrazano Narrows in lower New York Harbor around 5 p.m. Upper New York Harbor around 5:05 p.m. Jamaica Bay and Rockaway Inlet around 5:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern New Jersey and southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: New York Harbor and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greentown, Oregon, 14 miles northeast of Mount Pocono, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Peck's Pond around 5:05 p.m. Milford and Dingman's Ferry around 5:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne. The following is
northeastern New Jersey, Kings County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bayonne, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Battery Park, Soho, Village, and Bensonhurst around 5:10 p.m. Flatbush, Brooklyn Heights, Lower East Side, Park Slope, and East Village around 5:15 p.m. Crown Heights around 5:20 p.m. Canarsie around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Grasmere, Greenpoint, and West Shore Express. prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds of ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county, Hudson, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York.